the lift that I need. You show me how to escape from reality. Some people find a vein of gold in the brain and mine until death. I complain and spot them in vain, 'cause their life I obsess. And I could be alright, but I'm stuck in this hell, trying to find a way out. It's like I'm in a well, but you brought me up, gave me all the lift that I need. You showed me how to escape from reality. Why do I get this pain when anxiety bangs right on my chest? When life's a mess, ridden with stress, it's hard to let go. And I could be alright, but I'm stuck in this hell, trying to find a way out. It's like I'm in a well, but you brought me up, gave me all the lift that I need. You showed me how to escape from reality. I could be alright, but I'm stuck in this hell, trying to find a way out. It's like I'm in a well, but you
Riding on my wave, I'll be on my way. I just told them wait now, till I pull off in the race. Now they copy me, but let's see on my feet. No, I'm not for the weak. They say they wanna be just like me. I am not your wifey. Got my man at home and he got me so right, he gladly do for me what I want. Chauffeur to the prairie, dinner on the dark side, eating in Miami. Girls I wanna block me, still gotta see me. How you gonna mute me, but still wanna beat me? Pop up on your page and all your faves I like in my songs. You may not like me, but baby I pop on your mind. So sit back and relax, watch me in my bag, do my little dance. You a copycat, steady watching my moves, mind the business, I will pay you. Pocket watching me when you got plenty bills that's overdue. You driving a rental, living with your mammy. Must have peaked in high school, dreaming for a Grammy. Please don't slide into my DMs when you know it wasn't cool. Years later I didn't forget you, bit the hand that fed you. Girls that picked on me now, copying my captions. Girls that bully me now, barely been a has-been. How are you a mean girl, working as a nurse now? Hope you aren't a hater, like you were I didn't pinch a nerve, I'm living my best life. Every day's a new day, so I'm telling you bye. Now they copy me, but let's see on my feet. No, I'm not for the weak. They say they wanna be just like me. I am not your wifey. Got my man at home and he got me so right, he gladly do for me what I want. Chauffeur to the prairie, dinner on the dark side, eating in Miami. Girls I wanna block me, still gotta see me. How you gonna mute me, but still wanna beat me? Catch a flight tomorrow and I'm chilling for the next week. Besties on my payroll when we walk into the boutique. I get what I want, spoil my day ones. Cautious with new folks, don't know your intentions. Picking out the snakes, can't do it if you back talk. Fake into my face, I can tell you don't know what I'm on. I can make you cry, cause karma's on my side. So please don't test the waters, protected by my guides. And I can feel the energy, I can see your aura. You can't hide your two-face, something's in the water. Destiny, don't play about me, I'm going, I gotta go. Wound up in New York, but got a trip planned out in Monaco. Every kiss feels just so right. Bodies close in endless heat. Love so deep we can't retreat. Lips of fire, take me higher. You're the one that I desire. Let's just blaze and feel the burn. For your taste I'll always yearn. In the shadows we collide. Passion's flame, we don't hide. Whispers echo in the night. With your kiss my soul